What's up guys, you're watching this tutorial, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-113227-6, and error has occurred. It's kind of unknown error when you try to play your games or your application is not working and are stopped, and sometimes you are using just PlayStation 5 and it's get occurred. So here we go. I'm just going to fix this up and share my screen on my left side. Here we are at the screen. So you must check your application's update is up to date or not. Sometimes it needs to update, that's why the error is occurred. And secondly, go to the settings and go to the system, and there is a system software update. You must check your system software is up to date. If needs to update, you just simply update using internet or USB. And here we go, the storage. You must check the storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage and your application needs a storage to launch, that's why it's occurred. And sometimes the server is not working under the maintenance, that's why it's occurred. These four types, your error, it's kind of error has occurred. So in the last, what to do, just turn off your PlayStation 5 and go to the safe mode. There is a rebuild database. Simply rebuild the database or clear cache. There is also, you can reinstall the system software, and you just simply rebuild the database, get back, and then system software update you to it, and your storage also will be free because the corrupted file will be deleted. So simply that's how you can fix this. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.